Hello everybody, hope you're all staying safe and staying indoors. So a few weeks ago, one of my dear friends Suni suggested a good recipe for fish lovers like me. I tried the recipe that day itself and trust me, it was an instant hit. So I thought I would share the recipe with you all. It's very simple yet very yummy. I would request all of you to give it a try. Most of the ingredients would be available at home. For my non-Malayali friends, if you don't have Kokum or Kodampuli in your home, just add some vinegar or lime juice for that tangy flavor. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss out when we upload new videos. I would be reading all your comments and would try to respond to all of them. So please add your suggestions in your comment box. If you would like to see more videos, please add those details in the comment box as well. 250 grams of salmon, grated coconut 1 cup, green chillies, ginger, curry leaves, cumin seeds, kokum, coconut oil, turmeric powder and salt. I have taken a sprig of homegrown curry leaves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, an inch of ginger. Add the green chilies according to your spice level. I have taken a cup of frozen grated coconut, some kokum. Remove the skin and cut the fish into small pieces. This is frozen salmon. I have tried this recipe with frozen tilapia as well. Add the pieces to a pan, add a cup of water, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, kokum and salt. Cover and cook for some time. Meanwhile, cold grind the coconut, chilies, a few curry leaves, ginger. Open the lid intermittently and stir to make sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pan. When the fish is cooked well, you can easily break it into small pieces. When it's ready, add the ground coconut. Stir fry until it is dry. Do not add any water at this time. You can see now that all the wet content has evaporated and it's dry. Check and add salt if needed. A tip here, I added a pinch of sugar. This dish is supposed to be tangy and spicy, and it goes well with rice as a side dish. For us it was sambar. Now turn up the stove and add some curry leaves. Drizzle some raw coconut oil for flavor. Cover the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Meen Peera is ready to serve.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like our video.
Click on the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.